So I saw a project recently that is sharing from a pool of $5,000 to the people testing it. So let me put you on. It's called HegID and it's a Telegram mini app that's building what they call the Internet of Real People. Simply put, it's a network where humans verify humans through real-life connections. And the interesting part is how it works. It works on a mechanism called a handshake. And for a handshake to happen, two real people have to be physically together. You can't do it alone and you can't do it online. The key action in the Telegram mini app is a handshake for Web3 real people, confirming other real people and connecting offline. So I want you to try out HegID, complete quests, mine the Heg token, and most importantly, compete for a share of the $5,000 pool. Here's how the handshake works. First, both persons open HegID on their own phones. Then they both tap the handshake button. When they see each other in the app, they take a selfie together on the first phone. After that, they take another selfie together on the second phone. Both people then confirm the connection, and that's it. The handshake is completed. So as you can see, this is just real people confirming other real people through real life interactions. If you want to try it out early and win from the prize pool, use the Telegram mini app with the link around this video. So start shaking hands with friends today and earn rewards.